Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with Lautie, Sam in Zirc for a quick review, but hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. Right over here, check out my EDC that is going on right over here. Look at that, nice box from Lautie. You can actually check the serial number to verify that this is like a genuine product and has to match with the serial number on the inside. Really cool spinner. You have some nice sets of stickers in this paper envelope kind of deal, and yeah, you see, look at that, a couple of spare O-rings, because we're gonna check that in a second. And you've got your also like Lautie tool. Check out my EDC, this is fantastic. I'm just gonna show you in a second, but yes, this is very cool spinner. This is the Zirc version. It's the polished Zirc version, and you can actually check the size of this guy. And it's not that big. I mean, this is going to be a little bit over 1 inch, 1.2 inch long in diameter. This is the Zirc and brass version, of course. Nice design, beautifully made. It has some heft to it, like the weight on this guy is because of the Zirc and the brass and these like ball bearings around, and there's a bearing inside. It's going to be 2.24 ounces. So it's dense. It's really cool. Let's just quickly check this guy up against some other options you might be familiar with. This is the Ambori coin in a full size, and this is the very cool, look at that, Poseidon. That's the mid-size for the coin. Another coin, this is Nighthawk. This is the beautiful Gravit Zappa by Compoform. Another cool options here, this is the from Black Mirror, this is the Dial. Really cool haptic coin. We've got the Burry Mackie collaboration right over there. Of course, another option for Lautie. This is the Shuffle in a pair of Kings, Mackie, sorry. This is the Capsule, also another pretty cool slider. This is a Mahjong tile, which is just, by the way, gorgeous. So you can check out the size for that one as well. And why not? Just another couple options. This is the Pawn, and this is the Dice. So you have an idea of the size of the Sam, which is a beautiful spinner. It's very compact, nice and small. It's in Zirc, polished, it's shimmering, it has a beautiful look. I love the design of this skull on the inside. These are like, it's just like some dirt, but it's nicely designed. I like this kind of like, not spikes, but they are balls like protruding. You've got Sam writing over here, and you can disassemble this one just by pushing outward from the hollow side, and you're gonna see that it's gonna say Zirc and brass and the number of 200 made, so this has to match with the box. And here you have the two gaskets, the two O-rings, which they can be replaced, and they are supplied with your purchase. And this is going to be the tool that you're going to need to take down right over here this ring, to disassemble also the bearing if you want to clean it, or just replace it with another one. Also, this serves also like as a finger spinner. So you just stick it in your finger like a ring, and you can just fidget with this like that, like this. So you have a couple options to play with this guy, and you know, both are pretty interesting, and it's very good in the hand. There's not much sound. It's very quiet. Spinning time is not the best, to be honest, but it's still good. It's something you want to just keep spinning like that, holding the hand. It's unobtrusive. You watch a movie, you just, you know, play with this guy. Nobody's gonna notice. You can stick it in your pocket. It's not gonna be that heavy. I'm using one of these pouches because I don't want to just scratch it up, but you can just feel free to toss it in your pocket and have it ready to fidget with, and it's pretty cool. I mean, it's a very nice design, very indeed attractive to me. It sounds like delicate, it's unobtrusive. You're not gonna annoy anyone in this one, and it feels great in the hand. Nice feedback. The finish is really good. It's not a cheap one. This can run around $150, something like that, or even more, 180, depending on the market. So because it's sold out everywhere, so you're gonna have to just look it in the secondary market. So that's gonna be maybe a downside, but it's nonetheless a really cool fidget toy. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.